Creating a visually appealing 2D game isn't just about great artwork. It's about depth, contrast, lighting, and yes, shadows. But how do you create 2D shadows in Unity? Today, I'll show you how simple it is to add shadows to your 2D game in Unity. Unity has a powerful 2D renderer as part of the Universal Render Pipeline, URP. To enable shadows, you need to make sure your project is set up correctly. If you have created a new 2D URP project, you don't have to worry about this, you can directly go to setting up your lights and shadows. If you are not using URP, here's how to switch. Right-click on your project window and go to Create, Rendering, URP Asset, with 2D Renderer. If you don't see the option, then install the URP and 2D package from Package Manager. Next, go to Edit, Project Settings, Graphics and assign the URP asset you created. Add a 2D spotlight to the scene and set the intensity and radius to meet your requirement. Check the Cast Shadows option in the Inspector panel. Select the 2D game objects which needs to cast shadow. Make sure they have Sprite Renderer component. Add a Shadow Caster 2D component. Play around with the settings until you are satisfied with the results. As you saw, adding 2D shadows in Unity is easier than you think. With URP and 2D lights, you can bring your game to life in just a few steps. If you have any issues, let me know in the comments.